Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to the heart of the Smithsonian. We're inside the National Air and Space Museum, surrounded by the greatest icons of aviation and space exploration. From the dawn of flight to the edge of the galaxy, there is so much to see in these galleries. I'm going to be taking you through some of the most incredible artifacts ever built. So let's get started and enjoy exploring this amazing place.
That's why I think Armstrong has a reverence for the Wright brothers because of the work that they had done only 60 some odd years earlier.
Szóval egy igazi, vagy csak egy ilyen makett? Kopi. Full size. Makett. De gondolom az érzékelők meg a többi az full scale modell. Ezt nem tudom, én azt hittem, hogy akkor.
Passing through, New Horizons floats further into Piper's unknown regions above hundreds of thousands of celestial bodies. New Horizons recently examined one of the oldest objects ever studied, aeroplanes. Two bodies frozen together, showing us how it floats in. NASA's New Horizons launched in 2006.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.